Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. I will try to keep the video very short because already I have discussed many things over the week. I will not repeat the same stuff. Okay, right now market is running at 1.0167. This is the current market price here, and my dear friends, keep in mind right now market looks like in a resting mode right now. After this huge volatility in the market, it seems that market is kind of tired and market is taking risk, and volatility shifts in the market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. Market was extremely volatile for the last couple of days. As a result, market is taking risks right now. And yes, we have an event coming up, NFP, today. Okay, so DXY US dollar will be crazy again. Pagalpanti फिर से आने वाली है. Okay, so yes, we can see some sort of craziness again during the US session when the news will be out. Till then, market probably will stay in the resting mode. So I will just suggest you that you should not take any position right now. Just observe the market. Okay, just observe the market because there is not much volatility in the market. Being a trader, you should also know when not to trade in the market, because after all, it's our hard-earned money and it's our responsibility to protect it. So in case you find market breaking this low here, okay, the low of 1.0145, if you find market breaking this low and going down after the news, let's say NFP is very positive for dollar, and if you see DXY going up again, DXY flying again after the news, okay, then yes, there will be heavy selling pressure on Euro USD again. And if you find Euro USD breaking the level and going down, then you can take a sell position if you want. And if you want to buy position according to the news, okay, then that's your personal opinion. I will just suggest you that you should avoid. Okay, personally, I consider news trading is dangerous for new traders and beginners. So if you're new to the market, if you are in a very tight spot, if your capital is limited, then you should avoid news trading, especially in a market condition like this. But if you have been trading for considerable amount of time, if you have experience with news trading, then that's your personal opinion. But yes, I'll say that if the news is good for dollar and if you see selling pressure on Euro USD after the news, then you can take a sell position. But otherwise, I think that right now market is taking risk. So as a result, I will just consider this as a no trading zone right now, no trading zone. So as a result, it's better to avoid because today is Friday. Okay, so no need to worry much, and one bad trade should not wipe your whole week's profit. So be careful and please follow proper risk management. And let me take you to the chart of DXY once. This is a chart of DXY. You can see that after this extreme volatility here, same concept, market is very less volatile right now. DXY is also resting. If the news is good, obviously we will see DXY going up again. As I have already said in my previous videos that there's no resistance on the chart of DXY. So if DXY starts flying again, things will be very critical for GBP USD, Euro USD, Gold USD. And in case DXY starts falling after the news, then obviously Euro USD, GBP USD and other pairs will try to recover. So trade accordingly, and if you want to avoid news trading, that's your personal choice and opinion. Bye bye, take care, do not gamble with hard-earned money. See you tomorrow.